Assalamu alaikum. I am Farah Barkat from the Biological Sciences 4th semester. Today my presentation topic is greenhouse effect presented to Dr. Sahir Sadia. So what is meant by the greenhouse effect? Progressive warming of the earth's surface due to the high concentration of man-made carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Concentration of carbon dioxide work like a glass panel of greenhouse allowing the short wave heat to radiate it out. The natural outcome is warming the atmosphere. 100 years ago, the concentration of carbon dioxide was to 75 ppm. In the year 2007, it was 375 parts per million, and in the year 2040, it will become the 450 parts per million. Increase in carbon dioxide with the passage of time due to the human activities. Picture presentation of greenhouse effect. This picture shows the phenomenon of greenhouse effect, how the sunlight comes from the sun to the earth, how waves reflected back to the atmosphere, and how these rays increases the temperature of the earth. The major greenhouse gases. The gases with the properties of the greenhouse are known as greenhouse gases. They do not absorb the visible light from the sun, but they do absorb the infrared light radiated by the earth's surface. Some gases in the atmosphere, earth's atmosphere, are water vapors, which are in small quantities, carbon dioxide, methanes, nitrous oxides, and halogens like chlorofluorocarbons. Gas type responsible. Percentage is carbon dioxide 64%, methane 19%, chlorofluorocarbons 11%, nitrous oxide 6%, and others are 0.4%. Sources of greenhouse gases. From which sources greenhouse gases comes from? Thermal power stations based on the fossil fuels, mainly coal and mineral oil, emitting huge amount of carbon dioxide, numerous factories and industrial chimney waste from the automobiles, and deforestation and burning of fossil fuels. Sources of activity percentages. Fossils 49%, agriculture 13%, deforestation 14%, and in from the industry 24%. Effects of greenhouse effect. Rise of sea level, challenges to the agriculture and food supply, worsening health effects, the main global warming and climate change, effect on the oceanic climate and water cycle, effect on the ozone layer, changing forest and the natural areas. Some examples of soil erosion, climate changes, and global warming. The country specific carbon emissions. Percentages remain USA, then China, East Europe, West Europe, India, Japan, South Africa, and all others. Strategy to control the greenhouse effect. Alternate sources of energy should be used. Water logging should be avoided. Reducing the emission from the fossil fuels. Afforestation and reforestation. Reduction of fluorocarbons and the carbon market should be less used. Option for reducing carbon dioxide. Carbon management. Dr. Claus and the synthetic trees should be used. John Martin's theory of phytoplankton growth in oceans and injection of carbon dioxide into the underground or the deep water oceans. Who is responsible? The main question. Affluent and the rich countries are responsible for the changes of climate. Global energy consumption, carbon dioxide emission has increased 3 times between the 1950 to 85. Global energy emission in the year 1990, out of the 21 billion tons of global emission, 14 billion tons are emitted by the rich countries. Energy emission in US alone emitted the 5 billion tons of carbon, and the energy emission in India emits the 159 million tons of energy. Thank you so much.